Welcome to the channel Enjoy Food. Actually, it is your channel, as I told you already. So today we got 3 squids. Tamil kanava meen அப்படினு சொல்வாங்க. So today we are going to see how to prepare a tasty dish out of this squid. Okay. So you know that everybody know that our intention of the channel is eating tasty food. So we must enjoy the food. So let's start. First, already it is a frozen one we bought, okay, from the shop. So first we must cut the fishes, cut the squid into small pieces like this. Now squid is cooked already in the pressure cooker. So these are the things needed for making this tasty dish. So turmeric powder, green. This is chili powder, garam masala, mustard seeds, little mustards, coconut, and small onions. Then one small chili, and this is garlic, ginger. It is chopped into small pieces. So let us start cooking. ஒரு 5 மினிட்டு மஞ்சள் பொடியில் கொஞ்சம் நேரம் அப்படியே ஊற வைக்கணும். ஊற வச்சுட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் அந்த தேவையில்லாத ஸ்மெல் எல்லாம் போகிறதுக்காக அப்புறம் அந்த குக்கரில் வச்சு ப்ரெஷர் குக்கரில் வச்சு நல்லா வேக வைக்கணும். 3 விசில்ஸ் 3 விசில்ஸ் அடிக்கும்படியாக வேக வைக்கணும். ஓகே. So after cutting around 5 minutes we can keep in the turmeric powder to avoid this unwanted smell. So otherwise it will be giving little unpleasant smell. So in order to avoid that we can keep 5 minutes, around 5 minutes it's enough. Keep the squid into the turmeric powder, mix it and keep. After that you have to keep in a pressure cooker and cook it. 2-3 whistles enough. Add little salt and cook. So the fish will absorb, the squid will absorb the salt. Otherwise, very little water is enough. The cooking vessel is kept on the stove. First, we must keep a little mustard. So add little garlic, then add little onions, very small onions, cut into small pieces. This is called shallot. So you have to cook the shallot until the color changes. Keep the flame in low mode, okay? Don't keep the flame fully. In order to avoid the overcooking, you have to keep it like this. In the low flame, let it cook for some time until the color changes. Now shallot is cooked. The color also is being changed. So and after that we have to add the chili and ginger garlic and stir it until it gets cooked. சின்ன உள்ளி வறுத்து வச்சுருக்கோம். அது கூட சின்ன மிளகாய், அப்புறம் அந்த ஜிஞ்சரு, வெளுத்துள்ளி, இஞ்சி போட்டு மிக்ஸ் பண்ணிட்டுருக்கோம். Then we must add little turmeric powder then chili powder, then garam masala you can add. So keep in your mind, we must cook these spices in the oil itself before adding the squid. So in order to get the taste, more taste, so then now it is cooked and we have to add the squid. So we have given one name for this dish: roasted squid with coconut. Squid coconut roast is ready now. So let me taste that. Okay. So you also cook and eat in your home when you get that squid. Actually, it is very suitable for roshi or chapati, we can say. So let me taste first. Okay. Yeah, real taste I can feel. So you also cook and eat, enjoy that food, and subscribe my channel, and you also enjoy the food. Okay, so thank you for watching our channel, not my channel, and your channel, our channel. Okay, it's I can say your channel. You watch it and enjoy. Thank you for watching.